Okay, I recently had a serious case of sore throat, a very painful sore throat. I think beginning of this year, and it was not funny at all. With it came with catarrh, and I started losing my voice and everything. So I remember garlic is antibiotics. I know ginger is anti-inflammatory, but I came across this recipe and I decided to try it. And my God, within one day, the sore throat just disappeared. First time I took it, that morning, by afternoon, everything has gone. Sore throat has gone. Well, the catarrh gradually left, and my voice gradually came back when I rested my voice. One thing to how to get back your voice if you're losing your voice is to rest. Make sure you don't talk. Just minimize. If it's possible, don't talk for a whole day or 2 days, and because it's your muscle that is strained, the voice muscles that are strained. So that one, I did that one, and I was. But the main thing is that the sore throat was dealt with in a day, and the catarrh gradually left just because of this recipe I'm about to share with you. I want to encourage you to do it. Yeah, you can give it to your children. Especially this period of rainy season and everything, whenever there is cold season and all this is happening, give it to your kids. Let us stop abusing antibiotics. Antibiotics are used is becoming too much in the world that the bacteria, the microorganisms are getting resistant to some of the antibiotics we're using. So let's go back to nature. You can never go wrong with nature. You can never go wrong with nature. Let's go back to nature. Let's make it number one before you start using all these drugs and everything. Okay, just do it. All the ingredients you can get it. You can get all these ingredients in the market. They are available anywhere in the world. So I want to encourage us to just do this and see the results. The result will amaze you. To amaze you. Thank you. How can I preserve this wonderful recipe? Please put it in your fridge or your freezer. It's gonna last for a long time. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.